So here's an update from the last one. So we have this sheet. So this is a sheet going forward. It has every single building in public episode that I've done in the past. But let's just click on today's episode. So basically, in today's episode, we're going to go over my first $1 day on YouTube, where I made $1 in revenue, how I did it, and everything going up along with it. But first, I'm just trying this new format, and we'll see if you guys like it. Then there's that. But I'm gonna show you guys the revenue from the day before. So I'm showing you the revenue that I had through the different ways that I make money online. So we can see Amazon revenue yesterday was actually pretty slim, but we made over $1,300 in revenue there. For YouTube, we did get our $1 in AdSense, and that's what the today's video is about. So that I put that there. And then from affiliate marketing, we made 21 bucks in profit there. So that's pretty cool. So then you can see here. So why is $1 a day a big deal? Most YouTube channels never even get monetized. So that's one big thing too. So to have a YouTube channel that I got that's monetized, that's actually making money is well ahead of just most people that do stuff on YouTube. But how did I do that? And yeah, so we'll just kind of get right into it. I'm going to show you guys a case study of a YouTube channel that actually made over $500,000 by making simple videos like the ones that I make. So pretty much in here, so you can see here, this is my screenshot from my YouTube channel. If you guys are seeing this and you're like, wow, it's a big difference than last time, it's because I recorded that video I pre-recorded it like 2 weeks ago. That's kind of besides the point, but you can see here the channel overall so far in the last 30 days made about 24 bucks in AdSense revenue, $1 a day right now in AdSense revenue, which is pretty cool. So you might be thinking like why should you even care about that? Well, if you can do it once, you can do it 100 more times. And I know there's people that have YouTube channels out there that are literally making 100, 200, even $300 a day semi passively by posting videos online, which I didn't really believe at first, but now getting, a taste of it, I could definitely see how they make an insane amount of money. And we're just going to go down here, show you guys a case study of a channel that I found that made very simple videos that anybody can really make. And they made an absolutely insane amount of money. So here is the channel making that's over $500,000. And I'm going to give the breakdown on how I know they're making that much. And yeah, so we're going to get right into it. So you can see here, this is how to tie a tie. So this is a channel that's all about showing people how to tie ties. You can see here, how, and then they do other things too, like folding jeans, but mainly it's how to tie ties. That's what the channel is called. We'll just look at some of their popular videos. How to tie a tie, easy way, slow, mirrored. So you can see, so since this video is mirrored, it makes it a lot easier for the person watching to, actually tie a tie. So they made it as simple as possible for somebody else to get the result they wanted. So that's probably why I did well. You can see their thumbnails here are pretty cool too. 8 different ways to tie a tie. Like, honestly, if you're a guy and you've ever tied a tie before, you probably watched this channel at some point. But yeah, you can just see like all of the different ways that they show people how to tie ties, and they're getting millions of views doing this. So how are they actually making money from this, right? So there's a few different ways people make money on YouTube. One main way is AdSense revenue. There's a few other ways we'll definitely talk in other videos about, but this channel specifically is mostly AdSense revenue. We can come here. They don't have a link in the bio. We can click on one of their videos. Hopefully we can pause it so I don't get striked or whatever. We'll go down here. So he has no affiliate links, nothing. He's literally just making money off the views here. So what I like to do, and I'll have all of this in the notes, is I like to go on Social Blade and see how much money he's actually making. So in here you can see he has a pretty high rank. This is a channel that has a massive amount of views. And you can see here, it says that he's earning 1K to 17K in monthly earnings based on the video views here. And we can go back to the notes and you can see all the breakdown here on Social Blade. Social Blade's amazing. Like, you can even see it's still getting millions of views per month. But we'll go to the breakdown here. So how is this guy actually making money off of AdSense revenue? So you can see the amount of views that he has is 256 million. And honestly, to make, pretty decent money, you don't need millions upon millions of views. But I just wanted to show you this channel because it's literally just like some simple thing that somebody can make. This channel only has 93 videos, I believe. Yeah, 93 uploads. You guys can see there on Social Blade, it says 93 uploads. So he didn't even upload a lot. His channel just pretty much went viral because people need to learn how to tie a tie, right? And then, so going back to here, so what's the breakdown on how he actually made $500,000 through this? So you can see the video views is 256 million, and then they get paid roughly $2 per thousand views. It really depends on what niche you're in, but for his niche, he probably gets paid about $2 per thousand views. Maybe it's a little bit more than that, but let's be conservative and say $2 per thousand views. So then we just get the number of views divided by 1,000, and then we times it by 2, which is the rate, and then there. So you can see he made over $500,000 off of that channel, making simple basic how-to videos on how to tie a tie. So if you guys got this far, I'm definitely going to do a little self promo. If you guys want to join, I have a free Discord. I mainly talk about reselling, but I mean, we really talk about anything that makes money online on this channel. So if you're interested in just talking to people that want to make money online, you can join the link. It's on Gumroad. When you click the link, you literally just put 0. So I'll just show you guys real quick. So you come here. This is the group. You just put 0 in here, and then you go, I want this. I've noticed a lot of people don't get it because they think you have to pay for it, but you literally put 0. You hit I want this. It will ask you for your email, and that's pretty much it. So that's a group. And then if you guys like this, definitely let me know in the comments. Like this Notion sheet, I built it out so it has all the past building public episodes that I did, and here's some of the useful links. And if you guys want this exact sheet, I have this on Gumroad now too. It's literally just I put get all my notes, and if you guys want this, there will be a link in the description for it. But yeah, I mean, hopefully this is pretty valuable for you guys. If you guys like this format, definitely let me know and comment, something for the algorithm below. I'll respond to your comment. So have a good one. Bye bye.